Good afternoon, everybody. It is a Saturday afternoon, my friends, and a nice one out here. The uncharacteristically warm day for me, but very nice indeed. Very, very nice. We had a very good stream last night. Got some stuff done, or well, almost done. Not related to co-streaming, but to a different feature, doing a small feature Friday. So things are looking up on there as well. What am I staring at? I'm trying to figure out. Okay. All right, here we go. It's just like I'm staring at my screen, like what's the next step? Anyway, friends. Welcome. I hope everyone's having a good weekend and had a good week. I'm gonna kick this weekend off right here with apparently some lounge music. So that's a thing. And some coding. Lounge music and some coding. It's a weird combination, but I think it might work. First things first. I gotta switch over to our branch. So I want co-streaming. Update. Very good. Okay. So, want to get our visual code up here. Oops, gonna install something. There we go. Over update. Okay, fine. Cool. So, only problem with switching between branches is I now have to open whatever files I was changing. I have to remember. That said, we need to get the database started. Great password, that's good. I paste floor up, the balsamic up as well. Get back into the coding mode. Back into the co-streaming mode, because we were in the process of making it so you can upload. Yeah, you can upload your files and stuff. I haven't put any of the back end stuff in yet, but I was at least trying to get the page look halfway decent. I think we were just working on the controller. Hit the stream. Dashboard. No, it's actually literally the dashboard controller. Oh, here we go. Manage index host dashboard. Here we go. So I was working most of these. Here. Join. Right, because I have to update the index page, the link to it. Here we go. Custom layout. Not here. Accepting those things. Got this page here pretty much. So I just need to streaming settings controller. I got the custom layout upload there. We'll have to bring the router in. and actually link it to the rest of the site. Here we go. Excuse me. So create host. I need to. What are we calling it? Calling it upload or custom? So where's my controller? How do I map layout? It's the right. See it on. So I would do get user settings channel co-streaming custom. And that will go to co-streaming live streaming settings controller, which is not the man complete for some reason, and then it would be at load. What do I call it? Layout. There we go. Okay. Save that. So that'll get us to live render to custom layout upload. Brings us here. Does the mount. So then that brings up the ML page, which I have in place here. So then really I just need to go on not index, but index and just throw a button in here right now. Where do I want to put? Host the host button. Where would this look at? I'm running let me run the server. Okay. Looks like that's running, hopefully. All right. Setting. Push. I guess I could put it right. I don't know if I need to make it a separate section here. Let's see. I go and host a co-stream. Actually, maybe it makes more sense to put it on this page. It's only going to affect it when only going to affect you when you do a host stream anyway. When you're hosting streaming. It's great. I guess I could put it like right next to the create button. Create new co-stream and then have upload custom layout or something. Or I guess it would be manage custom layout. Yeah, I can call it that. So I guess index, not index then, it'd be index post. I'll just do another. It'd be nice if these are on the same line. So I guess we'll do is and let's do just a row. Our button here. And this would be whatever I called it in the router. This here, custom layout upload. Actually should change based on whether you have things uploaded. That's all right. I can work on that on here. So custom layout upload and oh, this is not right. Wait a minute. This is not the right button. Damn, I gotta go down here. Okay. This is the top button, that's the back. So I don't need to change. Right here. Actually, you know what? All wrong anyway. Back, found it, and down here. Here we go. Primary. Okay, so this div fast row. Oh. Down here, and then this is what we get placed there. Custom layout. That would that look like? Looks like crap. Okay. Let's get some padding in there. Or I could actually do like all. Actually, what do I want to do? Put outer div. Oh, 6 maybe. Oh, 8. And then close that off. Have these on the inside. That might be too small. It's too small. Okay. I am doing the call dash correct. Remove that. Just call without a dash. Oh, it is. It is without. Okay, that's what I thought. I thought that looked weird to me. That should make them even 5. Or not. Okay. All 10. Where are you forsaking me so? Alright, let's do. I just set these to call 5 and call 5. Or actually call. Not what? It's 12, right? So 6 and then 6 would be half and half. Okay. Insist on putting them on separate rows. Even though I have an outer row here. Once these on separate rows. Yeah, 12 is the maximum number of rows. So 6 and 6 would be 50%. Yeah. What happens if I put a row here? This usually messes things up. But in this case, we did the way I wanted it to. I'll stick there. small for that. Okay, I guess 4 is fine. Don't really need that outer row either, I don't think. Okay. Get inside there. There you go. Alright. And then manage layout. Change it. Okay, well, I figured this would fail. I don't have any real backing stuff. Key layout, change that, not fair. I'll change that. Yeah, of course not. Alright. So. How did the, I was looking at emotes, right? Upload emote. So, what do we have here? Upload channel emote. User channel emote settings. Can upload. So this has that doesn't have a layout change set. Uploads, upload emote. Okay. So I look at this here. Oh, well, I will need a change set for layout. Yeah, I guess I can just set it to nothing initially. Yeah, change that. Nil right now. Missing 4, assigned to form, okay. Line 20. Unhappy with it. I just do. To quiet it down so I can see what I'm working on. Participants options not a fan. Oh right, okay. Max invisible sense options. Well, these I definitely need. So we'll say for the options I need to look up the max too. So for max participant equals how do I look up the do this on another page? Do this on or maybe. I need to look up the config number for this. I forget, it's been a while. How to do that? I have it. Okay, I looked it up. Yeah, max participant. Enum find value. Layout options. Layout. Streamed. Oh. Okay. Let's do. I'll just do it right here because it makes no sense to here. Say if. Get max. Vince. The keyword get application get env blemish, and then it, what did I big stream max participants. Max participants, and then get the from that the max. Right. Nil if no default. Okay. Let's do it a default value of. Yes, make the default. So if it doesn't find it, which it should find it, but if it doesn't find it, bring back. So get max participants in CoStream EX. Blemish streams CoStream, okay. So alias Finish. Dreams. Push. So, Mac. Actually, no. This would be enum list, and max would be between 2 and stream dot get max. Okay, and then visible option enum to list 1 dot stream get back get. So that's real straightforward. So line max options that and find visible options that now emote not no. I saw a reference to emote. Custom layout upload 69. Nice. Where are you, 69? Oh yeah, I do have it here. Not emote, it's the layout. Yeah. Copy paste no think on my part. Okay, we're not bad. We have a name field. Max participants between 2 and 6, visible between 1 and 6. And then a drag and drop or a chooser for the layout. Just doesn't need to take up this whole thing. But that's easy enough to fix. Did I put this in? I put this in a card. It is. I feel like. Well, this top form I can definitely make it small. Doesn't need all that. Not that it's hurt. Doesn't need all. The emo page had a different card though for the upload. Definitely got. It's got. Looks like it's got cards side by side, which is not what I want, but fine. Okay, card body, drag drop zone, and then get another div here with a card. Yeah. Okay. I think I'm gonna have it as just 2 separate cards, but they look visually distinct from one another. So we'll do so we got div class card. I think the card for this top one only needs to be like 12, 6. We'll say. card body, blah, 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 blah. So then we have this form here, form, I have div class card body. So do that. Here and do this stuff. There. I need to close out that div. That. That there. And this one, I guess, yeah, I'll probably. I think the only thing here is I'm going to need to like. Actually, no, they don't need to be in. Be fun. Running, so that's upload. Man, I don't need actually a card header here. I can get have a card bot. Oh, do that. A little bit better. Put a little bit of space there, I think. Let's do adding top. That did nothing. That did nothing. Let's try margin top. There, that's now there's a distinct space between the two sections. It was more obvious. Where you can drag and drop. And I'll just leave. I mean, I know this is overkill for the width of the max invisible participants, but you know what? Doesn't matter. It looks aesthetically okay. The name is decent length too, so that's okay. Oh, do I don't have a limit on the name, on the length of the name, do I? Go look at. Ooh, getting bigger. Let's look at. Oh, I haven't done the database yet. Okay. Okay, we're fine. I'm like, I didn't put a max length on the name yet. I'm like, oh wait, I didn't actually do any of the back end stuff. Okay, we're fine. So that's looking okay. And I think the one thing is, I guess I can just look at that. I can just change where that do on the index host page. It'll either take you to the manage page if you've already got one that you've uploaded, or it'll take you to the upload page. And that way, we don't have to get too crazy with the logic or anything like that. So. Ooh, excuse me. We have the visible. I need to change stuff for layout. Do that right now because I gotta get the layout set up. Layout table set up. So, what are we gonna? What are we gonna link it off? We got co-streams. It's got to probably come off of CoStream. At some point, because you're gonna link your CoStream to it. Would be layout type custom. So it would be like a custom layout ID. Yeah. So it'd be CoStream's CoStream custom layouts plural. And then what does the emote? So we need like who approved it, who rejected, all that stuff. So let's look at emote here. We got channel ID, got approved at, reviewed by, the location of the static file. Okay. I assume that actually just gets put in by something. By upload. Insert that, update that, rejected reason. Okay. Fairly straightforward stuff. If I look at the emote, I'm calling it a DAO, but no, bleeding through here. If I look at the emote DAO, that's not it. Wait, no, that's could be good blemish. That's big. Nope. I don't see any fields though. This can't be it. Yeah, I mean, it's got the queries and stuff in it, but not. Probably called channel emote. Yeah, here. No. Let's finish web. How is it? How is it that? No. Upload emotes, that's web. Oh, emote singular. Okay. The blemish emote. Here it is. Okay. Oh yeah, here we go. Blemish uploaders static emote type. Static file. Blemish uploaders static emote. Direct to lawful definition, lawful echoed. File validation. File extension. Okay. Transform. Lawful file. Validation. Override the persistent file names. I don't know if I care to override the persistent file names, but I guess I kind of have to do it. Storage directory. History object headers. Okay. So this is implementing Waffle Uploader. So file validation match against known type. Extension. PG validate image. File type. When is binary. Emotes. This is when we upload the chat backgrounds. These are all under uploader. Finish file validation is valid. Loud. The file path loud. Just these. I'll just paste this. Validate the size of the file before processing. The size of the file before processing is smaller than specified. Make sure it doesn't exceed our maxed out size of thing. Okay. All right, so it seems to me like I just need to implement an upload here. Size versions. Landscape. Original. Value size, value to the TTF. Okay. Validation. Alright, I'm just making sure I'm acquainted with what's going on here. Background. Okay. I'm just going to take the chat background thing. I'm going to copy that and place that. So this uploaders, new file, custom host stream layout. Yeah. Oh, why did you say for? I said file. File. Custom co-stream layout. Oh. Colors. Custom co-stream layout. Original max file size, I think I put it at 50K. Where did I put Yeah, here it is. So let's grab that. There. FACL original public read, that's fine. So validate. Type passes, it needs to be file type of that. So does it what CSS? File type path. When is binary path? That's just file against known magic type. Not be used. Dumb check for file extensions should not be used as files. May not contain extension. Well, all I really need to know is that CSS file. Not binary, so I'm gonna have to do validate extension. Then. The extension allowed. So validate extension file. Does it take it as a string? No member allowed. File name path. Bring down key. Returns the extension of the last component of path. Does it return the dot? Well, wait, isn't something called validate extension here? Size validate. Let's do it here. Validate. Extension. I'm the only one reference. Well, there you go. Well, there you go. I'm gonna assume it doesn't have the dot. I'm just gonna hello, doing the check. Extension name. Oh, it does return the dot. Okay. Alright. CSS and max file size. File, blah, blah. Okay. It passes, size passes through, and it's validated. Find a thumbnail transformation. Oh. Alright, the persisted file name. So file name would be I guess the file name could just be the channel. It would be right? Image streams post stream. Yeah, because the co-stream primary key would be, well, no, it would be just layout. So yeah, I'll have to change it. Once I have the domain object here. So storage directory, upload, post. Oops. Where I want it to be. Loads. Chat? Yeah, chat backgrounds. Yeah, and just when I do a custom CSS thing, then I would just go into the uploads folder instead of the static. Probably correct. Yeah, okay. So uploads, post stream layout. Time from path. Probably okay. Really, it's going to be just yeah, I guess it'll figure out that it's probably text CSS. Leave that away. Provide a default URL if there hasn't been a file. Is it really that important? Does that have a default URL? No. Yeah, that's not really. I can get rid of that. And that can stay. Then I gotta get the let's for the sake of argument do go stream here. But I have to change. I just wanted to be able to compile right now. So custom co-stream layout. So then emotes here. Emote type. Okay. I think that's correct. Emote. Might as well just copy this and clear it out to what it needs to be. We got blemish the co-streams. Would be the new font stream custom layout. The same one again? I guess there's not too many in this category, huh? Yeah, I'll do it. Need to get a couple more duplicates. I'll switch over to another. Yeah, that is it. Right. Yeah, they don't have too many in that station, do they? Let's see what other station we got here. Rock? Yacht Rock? Oh boy. VHS. You know what? Let's just put Surprise Me on. Some indecisive. I need a scarecrow after what you did. Okay. Let's see. So I've got the layout. Finish. Streams. Stream. Custom layout. Not in this century. Don't wake me up. 'Cause you're just a ghost. Emo would be stream. Right, and then there's so field. What fields do I need? I'll need we'll definitely need name. I'll need co-stream, no. I'll need channel ID, that'll be uploader channel ID. only going to be available to them. So we'll do. So we have channel here already. It belongs to channel. Static file is, I think this just looks like the original. Yeah. This would be image uploaders. Some pushing layout type. Those, we want the timestamps there. Reviewed by, rejected reason, rejected that. Approve, can go away. Approve that. Then we want, yeah, because I don't have any link to CoStream here at all. That'll be in the CoStream table. So this would just be field name, string, yeah, I don't need to put a maximum in the data. So name, and then we have Mac participants. The here visible participants to be an integer. Those are the three things that we export. Channel. That's everything. I think that's all we need. And then we get the field for the actual file name of the file. Yeah. And that's about right. So layout. That, and it would be name, next, participant, role, yard, so the base layout and validate required is name, participants, length of the name, we'll say a minimum 2, and we'll say max 30. Max 40. Why not? 40. You know, we'll give him 50. Give him a nice round number. Bounty, file. Oh, I see. Not really a conditional file, but just say validate file. That part. Say cast attachments. Original. Cast through. Validate required. Original. Alright, let's validate. Wait, file. I don't think we need a unique constraint on the name. They upload two layouts with the same name. It's not going to matter because they'll be different file names. They don't have control over the file name, and you know, their own goofball. Not to do that. Can't tell which one's which in the drop down. So be it. I do want to do validate. Here's a validate. Number in there too. Oh, I have it validate required. Fine. Yeah, I'm not gonna put an extra check in it between 2 and 6 or anything like that. I think it's just unnecessary point. We're only giving them those options, so they go beyond that on them. Channel change set. We got change set, and then has to be its own change set since we need to prefix before we cast attachments so we can rename the emote. Animate approved at. Oh, hey, Psychotic. Last night I worked on a edit. Basically editor role. That was a small feature last night. I have everything except for the test done, so I have to get that done at some point. But yeah, so essentially in the moderators section here. Oh, it's I don't have anywhere else I can go to show it, but in the moderator section, yes, exactly. Yeah, in the moderator section, you can now select, you can now give moderators permission to change your stream title and category and tags. Yeah. Yep. That was a nice little small thing I could do relatively quickly and get that done. And then next week, next Friday, I'm going to tackle the visible viewer counts. So it'll be, you'll be able to, as a streamer, you'll be able to turn your viewer count off. As a viewer, you'll be able to minimize it by default or maximize it, that kind of thing. Kind of doing a hybrid of the both things there. So by default, it'll be on for everybody who's a user right now. It'll be on and maximized. For brand new users, the default will be on but minimized on the stream page, and then the streamers can, either hide it all together if they want to, and then the viewers can decide whether they want to have to click the viewer count to see it, or whether they want it to be visible by default. So that's the next one I'm going to take on, because that's a little bit that's fairly straightforward. And then there'll be like a couple chat things here and there that I can peel off. Like I was doing a lot of chat improvements, but I can peel a bunch of those off and make them like a smaller updates, like making the chat text entry a text area that expands and contracts rather than have it go roll off the screen as you're typing. And the Zalgo text stuff, and making the chat bubbles expand to 95% instead of stop at 500 some pixels, and a few other things there that I can kind of peel off easily. I was also thinking about the homepage redesign, kind of, sort of, being able to show the number of live the count of the number of live streams on each category on the home page, and move that up from the bottom of the page to the top of the page, and do a little bit of the moving around of the videos and stuff that I think people suggested in the Discord. I think that might be another small change, that kind of thing. So just trying to do like little things like that on Fridays. And then today and tomorrow, just focusing on co-streaming stuff until it's done. So yeah, that's what I figured. I was like, co-streaming's taken me a long time, and I just need like just a morale boost. I need like some small wins that I can just kind of knock out, that's still helping the site and also making it so that I feel like I'm actually getting something accomplished, that kind of thing. So yeah, that's my goal. So we'll see how it goes. Actually watch this feature get added, started feature. Yeah, pretty much. I mean, the only thing missing from last night's stream was actually the finishing touches of doing the I have to add some automated tests, and then I have to make the pull request and stuff. That's really the only thing that was missing from that, from last night. It just got to a point where I just got too late. Like it was almost 1 a.m. So I was like, I gotta stop. As much as I want to finish this tonight, I gotta stop. But mostly the small features will be things that'll take like 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, something less than a month. That I can knock out less than a month. So and also like bug fixes, if I can fix them, and just whatchamacallit, prototyping and stuff. Like if I feel like playing around with a different way of doing streams and stuff, I can just play around with it, that kind of thing. It's really kind of a more open-ended, casual night than anything else. Essentially. And as always, questions and all that stuff. So we'll see. We'll see how it goes. I got a lot of like little things that I think I can do. So I'm gonna have probably a lot of little features queued up. But as I told everybody last night, like, by all means, give me more suggestions, and you don't have to worry about whether or not it's big, small, or otherwise. I'll figure that out. Just, you have suggestions for things, whether you think they're big or small or whatever, by all means, put them out on Building Blimish, or shoot them at me live, or whatever is the most comfortable thing. So I can always use the ideas. Because I do have a lot of stuff in my head, but I don't always have, as I told the when I was mentoring a lot of programmers straight out of college, I would tell them, you know, I can certainly, you know, I want the application to be as good as everybody can make it, not just as good as I can. You know, more 5 brains are better than 1 brain, you know, that kind of thing. Generally speaking. So you're really the arrow next to Jack here. That is actually one of the things I got rid of in the chat improvement stuff, so I can do that. That's pretty easy. Oh yeah, that's right. You were there while I was doing that, right? Yeah, I can get rid of that. That one definitely can go. Just bugs you. I know. I get it. It's always that one thing that's like, oh, everything's good except for this one thing. That's the only thing, you know, honestly, that menu is the only thing that's keeping me from just pushing all those changes I made, like for the font size and all that stuff. Because I had it actually working, like changing the font size and everything. But that damn menu, that like freaking pain in the butt. Trying to change stuff in that menu and not have the menu disappear on you and all that stuff. I was also thinking too, you know, something else I can peel off the chat would be like, you can add the pronouns to the chat. I can move the moderator buttons to their own line. You can add in the because I think people have asked for like a pronunciation key / short form thing. You could add that in. That would be a nice small feature too. You can just like have that show up underneath your name, or you know, whatever, as an optional thing. But you know, stuff like that is pretty peel off. Nobody gets your name right. Well, see, that's why you need a pronunciation key. You know what I mean? It sounds silly, but you know. No, I get it. Funny. It's one of those things where people either use it or they don't use it, and it's no skin off my teeth, because that's one of those things where you can just kind of knock it out pretty quickly, and like, they use it, they don't use it, whatever. What actually made me remember it too was I was watching. I've been watching a lot of speedrun tournaments, particularly like Zelda: Link to the Past, like randomizer tournaments and stuff, which are just bonkers. But they're. What's funny about them is they're bonkers, but they're easy. You can, after you watch one or two of them, you can kind of get. They're easier to like wrap your head around than a lot of the other randomizers, right? And there was one, it wasn't Zelda, it was actually Dragon Quest IV. There was one of the participants was named Viv or something, like that, and they kept pronouncing it differently, and I'm like, you know, that would be a great spot for a pronunciation key. A bunch of people get your name wrong, change the spelling. Yeah, sure. But yeah, it also comes down to branding and stuff too, right? I mean, there's a lot of times what happens too is, I'm guilty of this too, is you write something and you don't, like if I'll read it, and I'll read it like as one string instead of as pieces. Like, oh, it's supposed to be this way, but I'll read it as an entire thing, and it's like, oh, Okay, it makes sense. It was supposed to be like two words that were smashed together kind of thing. Pronunciation key is even harder to interpret and spell. Well, I mean, it depends on how you do your pronunciation key, I guess. It's just an open field to type whatever you want in it, you know? So it really depends on how you phoneticize. Phoneticize? Is that a word? I guess it is now. Your names. your screen name and stuff. Psychotic pronounced panda. There you go. I mean, hey, if you had it under your name as Panda, then I'd call you Panda. I'd probably start calling you psychotic and then be like, oh wait, no, Panda. But I can see even for mine, it's like, a lot of people ask me, do I like Early Death? Do I like MLD? You know, and I'm like, MLD, Mem, whatever. But I could put in there, you know, just Mem or whatever, and boom. You know, you don't have to ask. They don't want to. Okay, so I have those in there. I have that in there. So then, validate file. Oh, I wanted to see. No, that's fine. I think this is good. Validate length. So do I need the channel change set? What is this doing that's different from anything? Oh, this is doing approved at. Or we cast attachment, we can rename. Oh, that's just so that they can rename the file name of the emote. I see what to do. Yeah, I don't things like that. Reference change set. Bar channel stuff. Nope. Care about those. Validate channel max emotes. Don't need that either. Well, animated. I can go. Review. Okay, review change set we'll need. Approve that, rejected reason. Are the only things we need. We don't need approved for global use. Reviewed by. And this is not emote. Make sure I don't copy paste no think it. Custom layout. No. Emote, don't care. Validate file, we're calling. That's fine. Alright, good. I got that. I just need to do the migration for this. Because I have to update the migration already done. So keep everything together. So, stream. Okay, I gotta revert back to this. Just gonna fill all of my test data. That's right. I want it 2022-05. Mixto rollback to 2022-05 14 174 Okay. And then we want to create a table. So we want to create. Actually, I'll do it after the create. Keep those together. Create table. Stream. Custom layout. Plural. Okay, and then I need emote font. I don't do anything weird for the emote thing. Emotes to no, just made them strings. They actually do like a oh, right, because they're referencing, they're putting a foreign key reference in there, which I have not been doing. Probably should be doing. But that's okay. References. Naive date time. Okay. So where am I now? Add. It was an ad. Yeah. And channel ID. Instances channels. Add name. String. No, false. Add next. Recipient. Integer. No, false. And visible. And integer. There we go. There, no, false. ID name, max participants, visible participants. Okay. So approved that, rejected that, and rejected reason. Yeah, rejected that, rejected reason. Approved that. Naive. Time. Rejected that. Time. Rejected by reference to we do by references users default no. Oh yeah, I should put a default no on those. I mean, it's not necessary because it will default to null, but more of a security check. Reference to. Is that what he did here? Yeah. Who's that? Add approved by. Okay. But approved that, approved by, rejected that, rejected by. And then the file. Oh, actually, I don't need an approved by, do I? I just get reviewed by. Yeah, I guess we only care about the last person to touch it. If it got rejected, yeah, you would have to delete it and then re-upload a new one. Yeah, okay. That's fine. It's really just reviewed by. I don't need that. Oh, reviewed by. And then, just the file. Ring. And then timestamps. Those are updated at and inserted at columns. Yeah, that's. If I should put references in on these other ones. Chat. Technically, they are referenced. Probably should for integrity purposes. I mean, really, the only thing that helps is if we were to do a cascade delete, which I don't really do. At least I haven't been doing it with co-stream stuff. If I put it on co-stream block channels, it would probably work okay. Table channels. Probably should. Why not? Why not? Now that I realize that's what we've been doing in other places here. Well, I have been setting them as integer. I guess I don't need to set it as integer then. It's just going to be a reference to channel, so now I'll just take care of it. Is the streams and channels I don't know if I want to do references for the category, subcategory. I think I'll leave those alone. Streams, okay. Stream ID. References. No streams. Well, nil. Alright, I think that's everything. So mixed, echo, migrate. Back up here, I'm gonna have to bounce server because OBAN stuff goes nuts when I do that migration. Just being in a loop doing craziness. Come on here. System layout upload is undefined. That's fine. I'm just still working on that stuff. Nothing here that's constantly yeah. Is this still, this is the oh man. Yeah, stop doing that. Stop doing that. Why does it keep doing it? What are you trying to do? Wait a minute. How do I make that stop? I guess I gotta close that out. Make it stop. Okay. Well, that's part of it, I guess. Weird. Anyway. Have that. So that, what does that look like? In the database. Select off from custom should be empty, right? Select off stream custom layout. Okay, so far so good. If I do a subscribe on that, an ID, primary key, channel ID should not be nullable. Fix that. Yeah, that should not be nullable. Name is not nullable. Max dispense was dispensed. Timestamps are, which is correct. Original. Yes, technically the file should not be nullable. But I'm not sure exactly how that works. I'm gonna leave that alone. Say that. Precision. Yeah, how did I get channel ID wrong there? Oh, I never said null false on it. Alright, well we gotta, before I change that, I gotta make it go back. And I say null false there. I guess I'll just leave that the nullable file name, even though it doesn't make sense for that to be missing. Guess? Yeah, just in case there's some weirdness with how it uploads things. I'll do that. Go to bring this forward again. I know just from experience that tends to be happy when I do that. So I'm gonna bounce it so it's starting from a happy point. Alright, now I do a describe on this. Yeah, it's not null now. Good. Everything else is looking okay. Foreign keys, channel ID, references channels ID, review by foreign key, references users ID, and then we have the primary key. Alright, that all correct. Now let me look at the streams describe here since I've technically changed this a little bit. Name, host channel ID, layout site. We have a foreign key, channels ID, which is correct. And co-stream invite. Foreign key to channels and co-streams ID. This is an invite, so really should channel ID is required. It should be. So should co-stream ID. And right. Yeah, I guess channel ID and co-stream ID should be not null. Pretty sure. No false and no. What else? No false there. Channels. That's it. I think that's good now. Okay, everything back. Server. Okay, good. So now Stream custom layout is our jigger here. Wait. I have a oh, that sucks. I have a custom CoStream layout for the uploaders and a CoStream custom layout for the for the database. I should probably so that they're consistent. Let's do rename like CoStream custom layout. CoStream custom layout. Save that. Here it would be CoStream custom layout. Okay. Have at least some consistency. So I need to start to wire this up. So I was getting an error. Let me see. Error. How did that open a new window? Sorry, I'm not getting an error now. Okay, that's good. That's good. I just need to actually wire this paint up. So, let us do that. I'll use emotes as the example. I'm basically making it look like emote 8, almost. Upload emotes. User by session token, now for user. Upload. Uploaded entry. Where's that come? All right, well, we've got some layout. Layout change that I can do now with the alias finish Stream. Custom layout. Would be stream custom layout. Stream. Yeah. Yeah, do that. And then on here, the layout. Change set. Stream custom layout change set is undefined or find the things here. Layout. Oh, well, yeah, if I do that, it's gonna validate that I have the max participants stuff there. You need to change. Weird is, what if I can just what if I just give it a I don't know if I can do this or not. I don't think this is gonna work. I'm gonna try to just give it an empty thing here. Yeah, that's what I figured it would say. Um, hmm. Form, change that new. Form stuff using form. Into existing post. So the form inputs are clear, but the time from the first input to the second. Hmm. Form. New change that. Change that. So change that. That's this protocol for flood current items. Uniforms are not backed by any kind of dealer. Have a connection, you can pass through. We pass value for every imp. But I'm trying to figure out the best way to do it, like, the proper way to do it. Like if you have a user change that form for the first time. Populate. Always use your preferred change set to a new form. Aid. I guess there's no way to do it except to just have it. It doesn't validate anything. Yeah. All right. It's annoying to have to do that, but it's the way they do things. Custom layout. What am I looking? Yeah. So I'll just do a new change set layout. Oh, that. Yes. Name Mac. That's it there. Put the font on these guys. Need the font on this one. Cast attachment. No. I guess I'll leave that alone. Alright, save that, and we'll do new change set. That in here. Change that. That's save. Okay. Now, as I type things in there, they should go into the change set. They need a save button down the bottom here. I wonder what happens when. Oh wait, when you upload a thing, an emote, automatically. No, they have a save button on there. Right, well, okay. So the layout is not fired initially, so I could just say, because when you drag and drop onto here, doesn't it automatically trigger something on the emote page? Drop, target, melody, upload, save. Change in Phoenix submit. Button type submit, button primary upload. The length is greater than 0. Okay, so that actually puts an upload button there, which would then save the upload, which is fine because it's saving it as a separate step. I think is okay. I mean, technically, I could just put one save, right? Oh, with it, I mean, yeah. Probably better off for him to just save the details first and then drag and drop a file and hit upload. Probably a better experience all around at that point. It also makes my life a little easier because I have two forms here on the page. Oh, I have a PHX submit upload layout I don't need on that one. This would just be the upload layout if you saved details. Is last row. This is wrong anyway. They didn't do the get text on this. So something that contains fixed. Load. Okay. Just save details. Don't even have it here yet. Okay. There's the save button. I think is good. Okay. Alright. I'm going to take a 2-minute break. A bathroom break, and also get some more refreshments. I will be right back, my friends.
As soon as I could hold a gun now, I was out on the killing fields, fighting in the war to save my home from a foe that will never yield. But we won't stop because we're brothers in blood now. We'll meet again now at the end of the line. Try not to think about what fate throws before me. We're born for duty, sir. What
Okay, I am back. Go and actually get this thing wired up here. I think is the next part. So when I hit save, it's going to file closer together in this layout here. It's going to call save details. We'll make a F handle event. Save details. How do we do it? I just gotta verify here.
Inside the book that I wrote, all of the words that we
Load.
spoke, yeah, only with our eyes. Now is the time to choose. Somebody wins and some lose. I can see through your disguise. Lay it down, hope for something better.
Handle event. Ref.
You can't keep
Emote.
up. The lies are just too much. Kick back, start another fire. Looking at the clouds, making shapes that you admire. And you can't stop it now.
Load does absolutely nothing.
Know how.
Thing. Okay.
You can't stop it now.
Let's change that. Oh. That's how it comes in. I guess that's just how it comes in. You know, it's saying. Hmm. Yeah, I guess it just comes in that way. Note settings. ID emote settings. No. Prefix. Save emote settings. No. Normally, that's weird. Like, how do we normally do a change? Doesn't feel like the normal way to do it. For nothing. Stream change that form manage. Update details. How did I do it? Update details. Target push-stream layout. Push-stream. I just bring the whole oh, okay. So the custom, yeah, it just comes in as attribute. Okay, and then I just do a change set with those attributes. So it is basically the same way that they have it. Nice. Okay, so come in as layout or come in as push-stream custom layout. I guess. So then it would be okay. Screen custom layout. How's it gonna come in? Layout change set. Okay. All I really need to do is throw that through a normal change set. Save it. I have to check that you have permissions to do it. So I think it's going to be I have to just probably call something. Oh. Or I can just change that here and not actually upload it until that might be even better. Is just update the change set like I do here, but don't save everything until you've actually uploaded the CSS. Yeah. Yeah, I think I'm going to do that. So change set equals post stream custom layout, but change set layout change set stream custom layout change set. And then it's just a no reply it's fine. Yep, change that, change that. Return that without actually saving it yet. Lowercase I. Yeah. All right. Do it that way. Device stay test for participants to visible save. Doesn't save it, but here. Like I could just make that a change thing rather than having to save there. So you check change and get rid of this button. say S2, S1, or 3. Okay. Seems to be holding on to, I guess. And then I have to upload a CSS file, but I can just kind of upload any thing right now. Let's just do a bed. Let's do a fake file, one that's just empty. I'll call it take. Is that? Go to document. Take CSS. Upload button doesn't show up though. Oh, because it calls validate upload. I wonder if validate upload just makes that upload button show. Upload. Doesn't do anything. I think it would. Like, how does this do a thing here? Emote settings. If length of uploads emote entry greater than 0, then show the button. Let's emote PHX drop party.